Welcome back to Riddle Factory. Guess 50 logos in 5 seconds. Round 1. Can you guess which logo is this? Yeah, it is Pringles. Round 2. It's easy. Can you name this brand? Easy, that's Lay's. Round 3. Are you ready to guess this logo? Of course, it's Domino's Pizza. Round 4. Let's see if you know this one. That's right, it's Burger King. Round 5. This logo looks familiar, doesn't it? You got it, it's Pizza Hut. Round 6. What brand do you think this is? Correct, that's Dunkin' Donuts. Round 7. Guess the brand behind this iconic logo. Sure, it's Heinz. Round 8. Recognize this? What's your guess? You're right, it's Cadbury. Round 9. Which company does this belong to? That's Nestle, well done. Round 10. Bet you know this one. What's the answer? Absolutely, it's Kit Kat. Round 11. Look closely, what's this logo? You nailed it, it's Oreo. Round 12. A classic. Can you name the brand? Perfect, that's Nescafe. Round 13. This one's tricky, guess the logo. Spot on, it's Cheetos. Round 14. Think hard, what brand is this? Yes, it's M&M's. Round 15. Here's a challenge. What's the answer? Got it. That's Skittles. Round 16. A famous one. What brand is this? Correct. It's Reebok. Round 17. What company do you think owns this logo? That's New Balance, great job! Round 18. Time for a quick guess. What's this? Well done, it's Under Armour. Round 19. What company do you think owns this logo? You guessed it, it's Louis Vuitton. Round 20. This logo is legendary. Can you name it? That's Chanel, nice work. Round 21. Look at the details. What's your guess? Yes, it's Hermes. Round 22. You've got this. What brand is it? Excellent, it's Cartier. Round 23. Which logo could this be? That's Rolex, good one. Round 24. Can you recognize this famous design? You're absolutely correct. It's Tiffany & Company. Round 25. Put your skills to the test, guess the logo. That's Dior, fantastic. Round 26. Seen this logo somewhere? Guess it now. Exactly, it's Balenciaga. Round 27. A well-known brand, can you identify it? You're right, that's Versace. Round 28. This one's popular, name the company. Got it, it's Fendi. Round 29. Guess this logo, it's iconic. That's Givenchy, spot on. Round 30. What brand pops into your mind seeing this? Absolutely, it's Yves Saint Laurent. Round 31. This should be easy, name the brand. Of course, it's Microsoft. Round 32. Think fast, what logo is this? Easy, that's Windows. Round 33. Does this ring a bell? Guess the logo. You're right, it's Adobe. Round 34. Let's see if you can name this logo. That's Instagram, well done. Round 35. What's the name of this famous brand? Nailed it, it's PayPal. Round 36. Time to guess, what logo is this? Great, that's eBay. Round 37. It's a brand you know, guess it. Yes, it's Alibaba. Round 38. What's the company behind this design? Correct, that's Flipkart. Round 39. Let's see if you can name this logo. You got it, it's Snapdeal. Round 40. Think carefully, what brand does this represent? That's Swiggy, awesome. Round 41. Here's a fun one, guess the brand. Perfect, it's Zomato. Round 42. What comes to mind when you see this logo? You're right, that's Uber Eats. Round 43. This one's everywhere. Name the company. Spot on, it's Star Sports. Round 44. You must know this. What brand is it? Yes, that's ESPN. Round 45. Another logo to guess. What's the answer? Correct, it's FIFA. Round 46. Take a shot. What brand is this? That's NBA. Great job. Round 47. Seen this logo on TV? Guess the brand. You guessed it. It's WWE. Round 48. A popular choice. What's this logo? That's Formula One. Excellent. Round 49. Test your memory. What brand does this represent? Absolutely, it's the Olympics. Round 50. Last one for now. Can you name the logo? That's Tesla. Fantastic work. Pick the next challenge and make sure to don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.